Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar has said that the state government is planning a major review of beneficiaries under its 5 guarantee schemes, including the possibility of asking people to resubmit documents. He said the review is necessary as crores of rupees are reportedly going to ineligible beneficiaries. According to him, around 100 crore rupees is being diverted with cases of deceased beneficiaries still being listed and several applicants providing incorrect or others' phone numbers. He added that a taluk level verification exercise is underway to ensure benefits reach the right people. The government has allocated 51,283 crore rupees for the financial year 2026 to 2027 for its 5 guarantee schemes. These includes Gruha Jyoti, Gruha Lakshmi, Annabhagya, Yuvanidhi and Shakti. Meanwhile, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah confirmed that he has been invited to a Congress High Command meeting in Delhi scheduled for May 26th. He said he was not aware of the agenda but received a call from AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal informing him about the meeting at 11 am. He also stated that discussions on leadership change are always ongoing. Amid speculation over a possible leadership change and cabinet reshuffle in Karnataka, party insiders said some MLAs are demanding a reshuffle while others are seeking clarity on leadership. 3 ministerial posts remain vacant due to resignations and a death, further intensifying internal discussions. Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar said he would attend any meeting called by the High Command but declined to comment on leadership matters, stating it is not his role. He also expressed confidence that the Congress would retain power in 2028. Former Chief Minister D.V. Sadananda Gowda said he is in the race for the Rajya Sabha seat and is ready to take responsibility if the party decides. He also criticized the Congress over voter list revision issues and expressed confidence in the BJP's future prospects. Finally, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivakumar arrived at Indira Bhavan today in New Delhi for a crucial meeting with the Congress High Command, including Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge and Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi, where discussions are expected on leadership issues, Rajya Sabha elections, organizational matters and electoral roll revisions. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.